What responsibilities does the association have if an owner or resident in the community tests positive for coronavirus? Well, I think we have to look at what case law in Arizona has said previously, and kind of the thing I was thinking about this morning when this question came up for the first time was, under the Woodmar versus Martinez case, we have a responsibility to, make our common areas safe in our communities. And so I think hand in hand with that would be that we would have an opportunity to, or we should be giving owners notification that this has occurred in our neighborhood, and that person is in quarantine, and just notifying of that. Now, again, we shouldn't be using first names, last names. We would need to have something official in writing stating that this person does in fact have the virus. But I do think we have an obligation under the Martinez versus Woodmar case, in my opinion, that we have to keep our common areas safe. And in the Martinez case, it was free from crime, but in this case, it would be, free from disease spread. So I really do think that that would be something, an obligation, in my opinion, that associations would have to notify residents. Now, recognize things are moving at lightning speed right now, and it's very possible that the city, town, municipality, or state may put that notification out before we have an opportunity to. And if that happens, that's okay. I still think that you should, in fact, still be notifying your residents. And of course, when you do that, there's going to be a ton of questions. Well, what do you do in association to make sure that we're safe on the common areas? And that kind of goes right back to what I started our communication with about, or started this FaceTime Live with about communication. So, we should be communicating to our residents what we're doing right now on our common areas in terms of, are we disinfecting to CDC standards? What are we doing specifically? Are we closing our common areas? Making sure that people are having a high comfort level as to the measures that the association is taking.